Okay guys, good morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa Pearland Trail Park in Pearland, Texas. So Thursday, nag-prepared siya. So dalawa kami ngayon. So ito ang direction na pupuntahan namin. This one, ito isa ata. Maliit itong kabila rito. Sa kabila ay mahababa yung ano niya, trail. So we'll see. So first time namin mag-ride dito. So makita tayo sa sa trail. Okay guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Pearland Trail Park. So isa na sa lot ko. Tapos may nakilala kami sa parking lot. His name is Michael. So he's gonna tour us about galing na ito. So this is the entrance. Alright. Ito ang entrance. Okay. Wow. So this. Let's go. He said 2 miles daw ito eh. 2 miles. Itong side na to. 2 miles. Michael's fast, mabilis eh. Ang bilis ni Michael. He's gone already. Nawala na. Okay itong trail na ito pare I like it. Ang ganda
Hindi mo ba napunta ito?
No. Okay. Michael's gone. Okay lang siya. Man, that's good. Lamig-lamig konti. Yeah, I know. A bit chilly here. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Come on, Bianas. Ooh, it is tight. The other time. Skipper. Okay, we're still good. Stuck. Alright. Anyways. Alright. You alright, man? Para mahirap ang hardtail dito. Hello? Yeah. Holy shit. Wow.
Let this guy
Yeah, let's go. You go ahead. Woo. Michael is good. Yeah, nice.
He's fast.
He is. Yeah.
It's rigid.
Rigid?
Hard end, front and back.
Yeah.
It's those
Yeah.
suspension.
He's ridiculously
Like
fast.
carbon.
He's fast. Holy shit. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, he's moving.
He's moving fast.
You know, he left after we did and caught y'all.
I know, right? They're not behind us.
Behind, that's right.
Uh-huh.
There's little small trails
Oh,
all
okay.
the way down the sidewalks. So you take sidewalks to get to each one of the trails,
Okay.
but you just got to know where to dump off and get into
All
one.
right.
Like this, you'd never know this is back here if you didn't.
So what do you call this section? There's a name on
This
that?
is Revolver.
Revolver. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, so if you look on Trail Forks, you have the app on your phone.
Mm-hmm.
All
Yeah.
of these trails are marked.
Okay, sweet.
So you could, if you've got like a GPS or something, you
Right.
put your phone on, it'll tell you where everything's
Where,
at.
yeah.
But once you ride it once, it's easy to find.
Yeah, you pass, man.
Yeah.
You can go ahead on your pace. We're just gonna follow you.
I'm, I'm wound up on Monster right now. I'll slow down once we get to the backside.
Okay, sweet.
Y'all good?
Hi. Yeah, we good. Mababa rin yung 2 miles Kailan siya winding siya pare no. Winding trail, hindi siya yung straight na no. Woohoo. Woohoo. Ooh. Sakit. Take it time, man. Slow down, dude. Slow down. I know, eh? Okay lang. Sa kamay, no? Pare. Kasi alam mo bakit? Winding nga, paikot-ikot eh. Yung paano, no? Corner. Aha. Okay, no? Hindi masyado marami, no? Less people dito siya. Yun. Okay, pare. Okay, no? I know. Yun.
Well, I like this better.
I know eh. Uh-huh. May isang ano, route lang. Papuno eh. Oh. Oh, may daan din dito. I know, right? Whew. 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 Kaya sasakit yung kamay mo dito. Yung pa-turn. Haba nito ah. It's a long one. Whew. Winding road. Call it winding. Woo-hoo-hoo. Very nice. Whew. Tumama yung ulo mo rito eh, no? Sa puno. Kailangan talaga mag-helmet dito. Do a helmet here. All right. Whew. Okay, ito sa ano?
Pwede natin ikutin ulit dito.
Oo, pwede. Pwede tayong may walay sa kanya.
Hindi ka naman makakatakbo magbilis.
Ah. Yun. Oh. 2 miles ba ito? That's more than 2 miles, ha? Woohoo! Oops! Winding. Oh, lumabas na. Oh, he's coming out there. Oh, he came back here. Oh. How you doing, man? Oh.